Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. Are you want to unlock the simple trick to find the area of a triangle in less time? Stay with me and I will show you the shortest way to calculate no matter what is the shape of triangle. So here we have a triangle in which this A angle is x, this B angle is 2x and C angle is 3x. And the distance between A and B is given 4. Now first of all we will apply the angle theorem. According to that, the sum of all the angles in a triangle equals 180 degree. It's mean x plus 2x plus 3x equals 180 degree. Now we will solve this equation to find the value of x. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. So 6x equals 180. Here 6 is multiplied, then it will be divided. So x equals 180 divided by 6, x equals 30. So we get the value of x, that is 30 degree. So x equals 30, then 2x means equals 60 degree and 3x equals 90 degree. Now we will write the values here. X equals 30, 2x equals 60 and the 3x equals 90. Now you can see this will become a right angle triangle because one angle is 90 degree. So we will draw this triangle here. This is a right angle triangle and this angle is 90 degree at C and this angle is and the opposite side of this right angle triangle 90 degree is the longest side. This angle is 30 degree and longest side is given 4 and this angle will be 60 degree. So we will get the values as A, B and C. Now first of all we see that this is a special case of a triangle in which two angles are 30, 60 and one angle is 90 degree. So consider a condition that this is the largest side. So if this side is small and this is the smallest side, if this side is 1, this side will be 2. And by Pythagoras theorem, this side will be square root 3. And if we say this side is A, then this side will be 2A and this side will be A square root 3. Now by the given question, in this case, we have the longest side, that is 4. So this smallest side will be equals 2 and this side we will calculate by Pythagoras theorem. According to that, longest side is hypotenuse, this is base and this is perpendicular. So by Pythagoras theorem we know that hypotenuse square equals base square plus height square. We have to find the height. So height square equals hypotenuse, that is 4. 4 square minus 2 square means 16 minus 4, that is 12. So 12 equals 2 square root 3. So we get this side 2 square root 3. Now we will calculate the area by this triangle, and the formula for area is half into base into height. So we get base is 2 and the height is 2 square root 3. So easily we will find the area. Here 2 and 2 is cancel out and we have 2 square root 3. This is the area and area unit is square unit. So this will be the answer. Now you can see how easily we have found the area of a triangle. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.